Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're taking a look inside Alibaba's ambitious plan for AI. And let me tell you, they're not just building another chatbot. They're aiming for something way bigger.
So let's start with this one simple question. We're all used to AI assistants, right? They answer our questions, they look things up. But what if your AI could be an agent? I mean, something that could actually understand your goals and then go out and get things done for you all on its own.
Well, that's the future Alibaba is betting on, hard. To make that agentic AI a reality, they've poured a truly staggering 380 billion yuan into their Qwen AI models.
So, how are they planning to pull this off? Let's dive into the Qwen blueprint. It's a strategy that's less about raw power and more about, well, architectural elegance.
You know, for years, the whole AI race was just about who could build the biggest, most massive model. But Qwen's philosophy, it's totally different. They're focused on efficiency. The goal isn't just to make the models bigger, it's to make them fundamentally smarter, to get way more intelligence out of way less computing power.
And one of the key tricks up their sleeve is a technology called Mixture of Experts, or MOE. Think of it like this. Instead of having one giant brain trying to do everything, you've got a whole team of specialists. When a problem comes in, the system is smart enough to send it to just the right expert for the job. It's faster, it's more focused, and it is way, way more efficient.
And here's the proof in the pudding. This is what that smart design gets you. Their 32 billion parameter model can go head-to-head with older models that had over 70 billion parameters, while being less than half the size. I mean, that is just a huge leap in efficiency.
Now, this efficiency isn't just for crunching text. It's actually the foundation for the next big step, building what they call omni-modal models. Models that can understand our world through both sight and sound.
So, the Qwen 3.5 model is what they call omni-modal, and that just means it's not limited to text. It can natively understand high-def images, it can listen to over 10 hours of straight audio, and it can process almost 7 minutes of video footage, all at the same time.
And this opens up some really incredible new possibilities. I love this example of audio-visual vibe coding. Just picture it. A developer literally records a video of an app that's not working right, points at the screen, and just explains the problem out loud. The AI sees it, hears it, understands the intent, and then boom, it spits out the code to fix the bug. That's not just processing data, that's understanding context across our senses.
But here's where it all comes together, the real game changer. It's about taking Qwen from a passive tool that you have to command to an active, autonomous agent that acts for you.
And hey, this isn't just a theory, it's already happening. They've partnered with China Eastern Airlines, and Qwen is way more than a search engine for flights. A person can just say what they want, and the AI agent plans the entire workflow. It goes into the booking systems, it buys the ticket, it picks a seat, and then it just delivers the final confirmation. It does the whole thing, from start to finish.
The flagship model Qwen 3.6 Plus is basically engineered for this kind of autonomy. It's got this massive 1 million token context window. That's enough memory to read and understand entire books or really complex code bases in one go. It can even test its own code, see if it screws up, and then fix it itself, over and over until it gets it right. It can even build a working website just from a rough sketch on a napkin. It's wild.
So, with all these new powers, the billion-dollar question is, how does Qwen really stack up against the big guys? You know, the Googles, the OpenAIs, the Anthropics of the world.
Well, if you look at the data from some of these ridiculously hard benchmarks, we're talking graduate-level scientific reasoning questions, Qwen isn't just playing catch-up. On some of the absolute toughest problems out there, it's performing right at the cutting edge. It is neck and neck with the best models in the world.
But look, performance is only one half of the equation. The other half, it's the price. Qwen is delivering this world-class capability for a tiny, tiny fraction of the cost. 38 cents per million tokens? That's more than 5 times cheaper than its rivals. And folks, that is not just a price cut. That is a strategic weapon. It's designed to completely take over the market.
And this killer combo of elite power and rock-bottom cost isn't just for big companies. The whole point is to push this powerful AI out of the data center and right into our everyday lives.
A huge part of this strategy is releasing all these small, super efficient models that are designed to run directly on your own devices, your phone, your laptop, even your car. And what that means for you is total privacy, because your data never leaves your device. It means it works perfectly when you're offline, and the response is completely instant, no lag.
And we are already seeing this roll out. Qwen is being built right into the dashboards of cars from major brands. It's handling payments and orders in apps like Alipay.
And it's running incredibly powerfully on smartphones, even when they have zero internet connection. The AI agent is literally becoming part of the fabric of our daily lives.
So, here's the bottom line. We've moved past the era of passive AI assistants that just wait for a command. We are now officially in the age of proactive autonomous AI agents. And that leaves all of us with one final and really important question to think about. Now that AI can act for us, what will we actually choose to empower it to do next?